All right, need a little help. Just put the Superdry kit in here and here. I went ahead and went down 2 turns from lean at the top. I did check these out. I did a drop test, tried to get them as best I could. This one, unfortunately, is sticking. I'm not sure why, because I mean, I can push it down there, but I don't think I bent the needle. I don't know if it has to do with this being, I mean, I did the alignment tool. See, it just dropped. Did the alignment tool. But seems to be an issue. So it's not even tuned yet. Installs. If anybody can help me with that, that'd be great. This, I'm not sure why. Maybe I need to sand the piston, I'm not sure. But I'd like to get it tuned, but I think I've got a issue with the dashpot and the piston. And like I said, I went back and forth between the two. So, thank you.